Hello, recording the video, and today's topic is web services. What are web services? A web services is in any piece of software that makes itself available over the internet and uses a standardized XML messaging system. XML is used to encode all communications to of web services. For example, a client invokes a web services by sending an XML message, then wait for a corresponding XML response. As all communication is in XML, web services are not tied to any one operating system or programming language. Java can talk with Perl, Windows application can talk with Unix application. Web services are self-contained, modular, distributed, dynamic applications that can be described, published, located, or invoked over the network to create a products, process, and supply chains. These applications can be local, distributed, or web-based. Web services are built on top of open standards such as TCP/IP, HTTP, Java, HTML, XML. Web services are XML based information exchange systems that use the internet for direct application to application interaction. The system can include programs, objects, messages, or documents. A web service is a collection of open protocols and standards used for exchanging data between application or system software application written in various programming languages and running on various platforms can use web services to exchange data over computer network like the internet in a manner similar to inter-process communication on a single computer. This interoperability, for example, between Java and Python or Windows and Linux application, is due to the use of open standards. To summarize, a complete web services is therefore any services that is available over the internet or private networks, uses a standardized XML messaging system, is not tied to any one operating system or programming language, is self-described via a common XML grammar, is discoverable via a simple find mechanics. Component of web services. The basic web services platform is XML plus HTTP. All the standard web services work using the following components: SOAP, Simple Oriented Access Protocol; UDDI, Universal Description, Discovery and Integration; WSDL, Web Services Description Language. All these components have been discussed in the web services architecture. How does a web service work? A web service enables communication among various applications by using open standards such as HTML, XML, WSDL, and SOAP. A web services takes the help of XML to take the data, SOAP to transfer a message, WSDL to describe the availability of service. You can build a Java based web service on Solaris that is accessible from your Visual Basic program that runs on Windows. You can also use the C# to build new web services on Windows that can be invoked from your web application that is based on Java server pages and run on Linux. Example: consider a simple account management and order processing system. The accounting personnel use a client application built with Visual Basic or Java server pages to create a new accounts and enter new customer order. The processing logic for the system is written in Java and reside on a Solaris machine, which also interacts with a database to store information. The steps to perform this operation are as follows. The client programs bundles the account registration information into a SOAP message. This SOAP message is sent to the web services as the body of an HTTP post request. The web service unpacks the SOAP request and converts it into a command that the application can understand. The application processes the information as required and respond with a new unique account number for that customer. Next, the web service packages the response into another SOAP message, which it sends back to the client program in a response to its HTTP request. The client program unpacks the SOAP message to obtain the result of the account registration process. The internet is the worldwide connectivity of hundreds of thousands of computers of various types that belongs to multiple networks. On the World Wide Web, a web service is a standardized method for propagating messages between client and server application. A web service is a software module that is intended to carry out a specific set of functions. Web services in cloud computing can be found and invoked over the network. The web service would be able to deliver functionality to the client that invoke the web service. A web service is a set of open protocols and standards that allows data to exchange between different application or system. Web services can be used by software programs written in a variety of programming languages and running on the variety of platforms to exchange data via computer networks such as the internet in a similar way to inter-process communication on a single computer. Any software application or cloud technology that uses standardized web protocols to connect, interoperate and exchange the data message, commonly XML, across the internet is considered a web service. Web services have the advantage of allowing programs developed in different languages to connect with one another by exchanging data over a web service between clients and servers. A client invokes a web service by submitting an XML request, which the service responds with an XML response. Functions of web services. It's possible to access it via the internet or intranet networks. XML messaging protocol that is standardized, operating system or programming languages independent using the XML standard. It is self-describing. A simple location approach can be used to locate it. Components of web service. XML and HTTP is the most fundamental web service platform. The following components are used by all typical web services. SOAP. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol. It is a transport independent messaging protocol. SOAP is built on sending XML data in the form of SOAP messages. A document known as an XML document is attached to each message. Only the structure of the XML document, not the control, follows a pattern. The best thing about web service and SOAP is that everything is sent through HTTP, the standard web protocol. A root element known as the element is required in every SOAP document. In an XML document, the root element is the first element. The envelope is separated into two halves. The header comes first, followed by the body. The routing data or information that directs the XML document to which client should be sent to is contained in the header. The real message will be in the body. Universal Description, Discovery and Integration. UDD is a standard for specifying, publishing and discovering a service provider's online services. It provides a specification that aids in the hosting of the data via web service. Web service description language. If a web service can't be found, it can be used. The client invoking the web service should be aware of the location of the web service. Second, the client application must understand what the web service does in order to invoke the correct web service. Thank you.